guys, so today I'm going to unbox this. First of all, I want to give it a shout out to Christy Johnson from Brilliant Evolution for sending me this package to do the review. So previously they sent me this park lights with the remote control, and this time around this is a new and latest product. This is a park lights with a motion detect, has a motion sensor built in. And then this one is the 3-pack with the 60 lums with the 3500 bright white LEDs. Motion sensor automatically turns lights on. Lights turn up after 30 seconds of no motion. Detects motion up to 10 feet away. Activates only in darkness to conserve battery life. Mount with the 3M tape or screws, both are included. 100 hours runtime. Operates on 3 AA batteries, which is not included. And then measurement is 3.39 inch width by 3.39 inch in depth, and then 1.19 inch in height. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I will be including the links I'm going to showing within the description. And then let's go ahead and open this up for you guys to check it out. So I believe it's almost similar to this one. This one has 3 of the LEDs from the previous generation. And then there's a wireless icon right there. So you will need to point this out. And this twist to open. Let's go and then I got some of this ray horn. AA rechargeable battery. Let's just to test out this one for you guys to see real quick. By the way, they have the light bar as well. If you guys don't like this design. And if you don't have the remote, you can just press this on and off. So it's pretty good for like if you want to mount this on the staircase, on the wall and stuff like that. And for the under cabinet lights, closet lights, or you have a laundry room that you need to have lights, it's a quick press on this. So as you can see, I can turn it on. So the battery probably has a dead battery because I left the battery in there too long. So well, anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this one. Wow. So they give me 2 of the 3 packs. So I want to thank you, Christy, for sending me an extra pack. So by the way, this will be available on May 25th, which is today, 2020. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then check it out. So it comes with this instructions. And come with this 3M double-sided tape with those mounting screws. So this time around it is much slimmer, more compact size. And then right there is your motion sensor right there. And it looks like they have 3 of the LEDs. And then there are two other mounting holes right there. Go ahead and twist this open. So basically it's about same design. Close back up. So you cannot press this to turn on manually. So it will say battery in case you forgot to press it back on. I mean, if in case you forgot to press and turn off. So as you can see, you can mount it on under the cabinets or on the staircase. So let's do some tests. Let's go ahead and put in the darkness and see if it's gonna light up. So I think it has to be completely darkness. Let me go into my closet and then test this out real quick. So there you go. Yeah, there's 3 of the LEDs glowing right now. Pretty nice. So in case you're in the completely darkness, and then you automatically sense your body temperature, and then it's gonna come on. As you see, it's pretty bright. We're in the completely darkness. There you go. If I cover the light, completely darkness. So I have one of the light on the walkway. Hopefully you're gonna catch me. There you go. So yeah, you can see it's pretty bright. And then I have another one in the office. There you go. So when it's totally darkness, you can see it brights up the room. So and then I got some of this, the one with the remote. I'm gonna put it under this cabinet that I built. Wow, look at that. Isn't that nice? Better than looking like that. And then I got another shelf right here with all the bubble heads. It's curved shelf right there. And then I got another one right here by the hallway. And then I have another light over there by on the left hand side of the post right here. Alright, so this is the one that I built for the kitchen light, but I'm gonna walk into the pantry and then there's a light that I put in there with the motion detect. Here's a pantry with a bunch of candy, snacks, and everything, drinks. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out this nice product in the link within the description. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.